Okay, so today we're going to make some donuts. So we start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that we can add 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and just give it a quick whisk. We're going to add in 2 3/4 of a cup of milk, two eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 3/4 of a cup of milk. Oil. Okay, so we're just going to whisk it all up together till all the flour is incorporated with the wet mixture, and then we're gonna pour it into our baking pan. Okay, so I've poured my batter in a jug just to make it a little easier. We've got the oven going at 180 degrees, so it's preheated already. We're just gonna pour in our batter, not right to the top, so it has enough space to rise. Then we're gonna pop it in the oven. So we're all done filling. It's going into the oven, 180 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes. You'll check with a skewer through the centers from about 25 minutes, and you will see the top starting to brown. That's when you take it out. So it's in the oven now, and we're just gonna leave it for about 35 minutes and then take it out. So I've taken them out of the oven. They rested for like 10 minutes to cool down, and this is our donuts done. So you can, it's optional if you want. If you have some powdered sugar, you can just drizzle them with some powdered sugar. If you have chocolate syrup, you can put chocolate syrup on them. If you have fresh cream, whipped cream, you can go ahead and cream it. You can design it any way you want, and they're lovely, soft, fluffy donuts. Please guys, like, subscribe, follow and share my YouTube, WhatsApp and Instagram pages. Thanks for watching.